Hello, students of ninth class. Once more, welcome back to the lessons of moral science. And in this part and in this video, we shall discuss various activities given at the back of your book, Moral Science. And these four activities, that is the first, second, third, and fourth, will come in the first term exam. So, students, we had already discussed about the first activity, that is the self awareness. And in that video, I asked you to prepare my strength and my limitations. Okay, and I hope that you might have done this one. And second activity also in the uh, earlier video, I asked you when we did the second chapter, and after that, I asked you to prepare the second activity, that is empathy. So you know that what is empathy? It's an act of kindness that inspired you. So you have to write any activity or any incident that inspired you, which you did an act of kindness somewhere, okay, or you experienced something, you experienced that love, that compassion for others, okay. So that is the empathy, feeling compassion, feeling one, and sharing the pain of others with the happiness. So we both we had done these activities earlier in the videos, and now in this activity, it's a very nice activity, students. It's a critical thinking and problem solving. So take 2 minutes to look at the words and objects on this page. Then turn the page over and see how many you can recall. Repeat the activity and improve your performance. So students, what is given here? Few things are there. Okay. For a minute or a minute and a half or 2 minutes, you can look at them, then close your eyes and recall back and speak to someone else, your brother or your parents, that what things you saw. Okay, that will improve your short term memory. See, I have few things here I have kept here. Few things I have kept here. So see this one and remember, recall back after a minute, and you will see what your memory is, short term memory. And in this way, this is a very good game also. You can ask your parents to place few things on the dining table, like 15 to 20 things. Okay, you, your brother, or your sister, or your mother, or your cousin, you can play game at home. And this is a very good activity to check the memory of others, short term memory. Okay, place few things and then remember, recall back, and tell your friend or your parents what things you saw within a minute or within 2 minutes. Okay, so there is a fourth activity, effective communication. So students, you learn various phonetics, various style of English, okay, and transformation of sentence you must be learning in grammar. It all gives you expression and mood of your sentence. What mood, in which mood you're speaking, particular sentence. Okay, so here there is one exercise. We can read the same statement with 6 different voice inflections that change the intended meaning with each reading. That means what is your intention to speak that particular sentence. Try to read each sentence below as it conveys the meaning in the bracket. So there is one sentence here. We are not going to take a test today. So it has various moods. The same you can see here. We are not going to take test today. Surprise. Okay. All of a sudden you give a teacher gives a surprise. No, we are not going to take a test today. We are not going to take a test today. It is a statement of fact, simple, normal thing. Okay, does not express anything. Just a statement. We are not going to take a test today. That means doing something else. Instead of a test, doing something else. We are not going to take a test today. Same other group will do it, but not you. So we will not do it. We are not going to take a test today. Absolutely with the will not take. Okay. We are not going to take a test today. We will have more than one. Okay. So these are the various expression of a style of speaking English or any of the language. So in this way we can improve our communication. So students, I hope that you might have liked all these four activities. Improve on them. Once again, I ask you to prepare self-awareness, empathy, write few your incident, okay, an act of kindness that inspired you, and then critical thinking, problem solving, and effective communication. Please work upon this one. Thank you. Bye bye.